Why is it important to listen to our parents? अब आप मुझसे ये पूछेंगे, is it even a question? Obviously, we should listen to our parents. Hi everyone, this is CA Ashwika Talks and welcome back. Today we are talking about why we should listen to our parents. अब आपको टॉपिक ही अजीब लगेगा. Obviously, we should listen to our parents. Is it even a question? But trust me and tell me truly, do we actually listen to our parents? In today's world, it has been it's indeed a great question that whether we should listen to our parents or we should do what we think is right. Now, there may be n number of reasons why we think that our parents are not correct and we are more correct in our way of action or speaking words or doing anything. It might be a small shopping of cloth. Let's discuss on this. Then now the first reason can be, let's figure out some reasons why we think like this. Okay. The first reason can be we have an age gap. Okay. There's a generation gap between me and my parents. There can be a generation gap between you and your grandparents. There can be age gap. There can be gap in the way they think about life and you perceive your life. There can be a difference in the way of action they plan to do and the plans that you have made for yourself. Now, the second reason can be we think that we are way more forward than them. And I think that is the reason that is going to take us on some abnormal ways. है ना? आज के टाइम में तो ये नॉर्मल है. ऐसा कर करके वी हैव नॉर्मलाइज्ड a lot of abnormal things, a lot of bad things, a lot of big things into a small deal. It's just a small deal for us nowadays. And when our parents forbid us, they tell us not to do something, they tell us not to be somewhere, we think ये तो नॉर्मल है आज के लिए. They don't understand today's things. Correct? Same page पे है ना अपन? Okay. But tell me one thing. Why do you want to learn only after committing a mistake? Why can't we learn earlier? Why are your parents telling you something to not do something? Why are your parents forbidding you to go somewhere? Why are your parents protecting you? You just feel they're keeping you in a cage or something like that. Why is it? They have experienced things which you are experiencing now, which we are experiencing now. They have already experienced that. They knows what these can lead to consequences. What can be the consequences of these actions? The things that you are feeling now, the things that we are seeing today in the today's world, they know that these are not good for us or we are not suitable for this. Every person cannot be the same. We can't do something that the other person is doing just to impress or just to make them feel that we are so cool. 90% of things that we are doing today is just for making someone else happy from us, someone else understand that we are so cool, we are so modernized, we think in a modern way, we live in a modern way to maintain our lifestyle, we do a number of things without even thinking whether it's good, whether it's bad, what kind of effect it's going to put on us. Okay, yes, I do agree with you that there may be difference in opinion. We might have a different way of thinking about a particular situation. जो हो सकता है आपके पेरेंट्स कुछ अलग तरीके से सोचते हो. And I am with you that we can have a different opinion and it's good to have a different opinion. We can have a different state of mind for something. We can have a different plan of action for our things, and our parents might have a different plan of action, and that's very good. We are opinionated. We are in a era where everyone has a developed thinking action, everyone has a developed plan of action. So let's come on a common point. अब इस common point पे कैसे आए हम? Common point can be where me and my parents, both of us agrees to a particular thing. ठीक है? Now how can we do this? My point is just to discuss with my parents. If I have a plan of action, or I think in a certain manner about a particular thing, I'm going to discuss it with my parents. A minor modification in my plan of action might help me do the things in a much better way. I think this minor discussion, this minor modification can save you from those great losses which you are going to face, which we are going to feel if you don't listen to them. They have experience, and most important thing in our life is they care about us. अनकंडीशनल लव जो हम पढ़ते हैं ना, अनकंडीशनल लव विदाउट एनी कंडीशन, केयर विदाउट एनी कंडीशन, नो गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी, ये सिर्फ पेरेंट्स के पास ही मिलता है और कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. दे केयर अबाउट यू, दे लव यू, दे वॉन्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट यू फ्रॉम all the hardships, from all the bad things, from all kind of loss which you can experience, from all kind of heartbreaks. They don't want you to hurt. They want us to be the happiest on this earth. They want us to be the luckiest on this earth. And trust me, we are so blessed that we have got parents. We have got someone who is loving us, who is caring about us. Parents get happy when we succeed in life. Parents get happy when our dreams, our aims, our goals fulfills. Who can be more happy than that? And we don't listen to them. I don't say that we cannot have a different opinion or we cannot have a differentiated opinion. It's a kind of time where we are living in this era. Everyone has developed brains, developed thinking. Even the kids have a way of thinking. Even they have a plan of action. Even they think in a particular manner. But that doesn't mean that we are not going to listen to them. Might be they can save us from some losses, they can save us from getting hurt, they can save us from getting disheartened. Why we always need to apply trial and error method? Guys, trial and error method अच्छा होता है, but not for your life decisions. It's good in maths, it's good when you are going for discounting factor, but it's not good for your life decisions. Trial and error method, it's not good for us. When you are thinking about something, when you are onto something, just discuss once with them. Might be they can have something which is of your help. Might be they can give you something which you might not have seen. They see through where we are blind. वो वहाँ देख सकते हैं जहाँ हमारी सोच भी नहीं जाती है. तो I just wanted to bring out a common path for us and our parents, where me and my parent both can align on a similar part. A minor modification in my plan of action, a minor thinking about what they are telling, a minor adherence to their suggestions, opinions, can beautifully shape our life into something great that we are wanting to do on our own. Trust me, just listen to them and you will be so blessed. You will feel yourself that you are so blessed. We are so blessed by this universe that we have got our parents who love us unconditionally. They'll put their heart out in bringing you to the highest point in your life, to make your best version of yourself. So with the hope that this video is going to show you something positive, this video is going to give you some positive thoughts about your life, let's just end this video for today. If you want me to bring any new discussion on a topic of your choice, do comment down in the comment section. I'll surely try to bring a video on that. Do very good care of yourself, take very good care of your parents, listen to them, talk to them, spend time with them, and do subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, relatives, parents, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.